Hey there, I'm Tim Davis, developer advocate at Harness. And today I'm going to quickly tell you how to solve a problem that we've seen from time to time when utilizing Git spaces or cloud development environments. Now, this really only comes up when you're utilizing VS Code Desktop and you're connecting remotely to a development container. And this issue has to do with port forwarding. So we have our application here, and if we go ahead and do npm run dev, that's going to go ahead and spin up our instance. If you've done this inside of VS Code before, you know that there should be a little pop-up over here on the right side that has a button to click to launch your application. Now, if we go through and we look, we can't really access that application at all because it's running inside of the development container. So what we need to do is set up a forwarded port so that we can locally access the development container on that port. So we're going to go ahead and forward a port here. Now we know that it's running on 3000, so let's do 3000. And it's going to automatically, when we hit tab, fill localhost 3000. Now what does that do over here? We have the canary show. It's really that easy. All you have to do is set up the ability for your local computer to remotely access the port inside of the development container. Hopefully this helps. If you have more questions, feel free to join us in the Harness community Slack or check us out at harness.io.